Ahoy Squid Squad, I'm Jen Person, Developer Relations Engineer. Today, I'm showing you how to create a document reference, whether it's Squid's built-in database or external databases like the one shown here. So what exactly is a Squid document? A document can refer to a row in a table in a relational database or a document in a NoSQL database. You can manipulate data in your database using a document reference, which acts as a pointer to a specific row or document in the database. A document reference can also refer to a non-existent document, which you can use to create a new document. Documents are accessed through a collection reference. If you're not familiar with Squid collections, check out our video or documentation on collections. Both are linked in the description. To get a single reference to a document in a collection, use the collection_ref_doc method. For example, given a collection reference to the user's collection, you can build a document reference to a user with an ID, user ID, by calling the user_collection_ref_doc method, passing that user ID. In this example, I use some known document ID, the user's unique ID. Each document in a collection must have a unique ID to distinguish it. The ID can be a string or an object depending on whether you use Squid's built-in database or an external database integration. If using an external database integration, a document ID must be in the form of an object, even if the primary key is not composite. This ensures consistency across different integrations and simplifies the handling of document IDs in Squid. So for example, if you have a document in your database with an ID of my custom ID, you pass it in an object with a key of ID and a value of my custom ID. With Squid's built-in database integration, document IDs can take one of two forms, a string or an object. A string document ID is just a single string. There's no key and value. You can randomly generate a string document ID by calling the doc method on your collection reference without passing a parameter. Or you can provide the document ID yourself. The second form of the document ID can take is a composite primary key. Composite primary keys take the form of an object. They allow you to specify multiple fields for the document ID. You can use these composite keys with Squid's built-in database or with external database integrations. For example, if we have a collection of employees and each employee is identified by their name and department ID, we can use an object with two key value pairs, one for the employee name and one for their department ID. Once you have a reference to a document, you can perform various operations on it, such as getting a current snapshot, listening for changes, or inserting, updating, or deleting the document. To find out how to complete these actions, check out the next videos in this series or read about them in the documentation. But for now, it's time to set sail, and I'll see you next time.